Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.